Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 26. The equation of a wave traveling in a horizontal direction is expressed as y is equal to 15 sine 2 pi over 5 (60t minus x). What is its wavelength? A. 60 meters, B. 15 meters, C. 5 meters, D. 2 meters. So you have this equation given to you here representing a wave traveling in a horizontal direction, and you're asked to find its wavelength. So in order to do this, you compare this equation. Y is equal to 15 sine 2 pi over 5, okay, 60 t minus x. You compare it with the general wave equation, which is equal to y is equal to a sine 2 pi over 5, okay, y is equal to a sine 2 pi ft minus x over lambda. So you'll be comparing these two equations in order to get the answer to this question. Now, from the general equation, the wave equation itself, lambda is present in this segment, and lambda is what you are looking for. That is the wavelength. Lambda wavelength is what you are looking for, so it is in this segment. So if you multiply it by what is outside here, you would have 2 pi x over lambda. Okay, so this is what you'll be using to calculate the answer. Now you also compare it with a similar part from the equation that was given to you. So you say it's equal to, you compare it with this same part, 2 pi, okay, 2 pi x. So that part multiplied by this 2 pi x divided by 5. So if you cross multiply, you would have 5 times 2, which is 10 pi x is equal to 2 pi x lambda. And then you are making lambda subject to a formula, so you divide through by 2 pi x. So 2 pi x cancels 2 pi x, and if you have 2 pi x here, pi x cancels pi x, and then 2 into 10 is 5. Therefore, this means that lambda is equal to 5 meters. So the wavelength lambda is equal to 5 meters, and 5 meters is C. So that is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.